JetSki Services 77 Sea-Doo, and Greg, what are we aiming to do out here today?
Oh, look, we didn't have too much luck at the last round. We couldn't even get the ski to idle, and we broke down. So Nathan's been hard at work for the last couple of days, and it seems to be on fire.
Well, we do have Nathan here, who's the internationally renowned mechanic, just back from Russia. So Nathan, what have we done to prepare the ski today?
Really just gone through and serviced it, made sure everything lined up, engines aligned, new oil in the pump, just the general things, gone through, changed fuel, and the boat's come alive, so I hope for the best. On
JetSki TV, and we have a competitor who's brought his trainer along, who's been preparing him for racing and getting him race ready. So we've got David Karen here from Jet Ski Fitness. David, what do you do to prepare Bailey?
I work a lot with Bailey's mental attitude, his core strength. I design a program that works with his body, mental body together, his diet program, his nutrition program. So far he's trained really hard, he trains well. He's a tough competitor, a great mind, and on the ball. Fantastic. And Bailey, how are you going about it?
Yeah, I'm going good with it. It's different to what I'm used to, just sitting on the lounge doing nothing, but it helps, especially with the racing 2 classes and all that.